Everyone, how are you today? Hope you are fit and fine. Thank you very much for watching my video. So right now I'm here and I'm making video. I feel well so much outstanding because weather and environment so much good. That's why I feel well. Okay, today I will give one message. Okay, if you interest spoken English, improve your spoken English, you must be follow three theory. It's called practicing, speaking, listening. I repeat again and again: speaking, listening, practice. Without practice, how can you improve spoken English? Without listening, it's called input, output, mouth. Okay, you must be every day. If you give 20 minutes and consistency, not one day. If you give more and more time, not every day. If you have to spend 20 minutes or 30 minutes and 1 month, then if you feel change your life and if you feel all of everything. And another thing, practicing. Without practice, how can you improve? For example, as a national team, as any skill, and repeat without, for example, I can do everything. For example, as a player, as a footballer, as anything, then okay, one day I will success. But without practice, is it possible? So that's why I need to one message, three theory: listening, speaking, practicing. Without three category, three curiosity, is not possible improve your spoken English. So English is just a language, really is so much easy. Can you believe it? Okay, if you need for my help, then I will help you, really. Then you will try to in front of anything every day. Okay, I will say one bangla because just to understand, make understanding the point. তোমার সামনে যা থাকবে তুমি চেষ্টা করবো যেগুলো একটু ইংলিশে বলার জন্য। ফর এক্সাম্পল, the I can see everything, I can say anything, and they are playing, he is walking, like this way every day. If you thinking of English, if you need, oh, it's all good. First of all, I'm thinking, then delivery of output is not possible. First of all, if you have thinking of English, then output, otherwise it's not possible. And gain your any language, is any language, first of all you have to thinking. And another thing, overcome shyness. Do you feel shy? Is not possible improve your anything. First of all, you have to overcome anything. And in front of anything, you have to making sentence. If you have to try to the elaborate and long sentence, is it possible? Thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, have a good day.